If you're a stay-at-home mom who wants to make passive income, you want to make money from the comfort of your home while you watch those babies, but you think you need to be some tech genius or have a business degree, I want you to stop right there because that is not. I'm going to show you exactly how to create something once and sell it infinite number of times. Hi, my name is Toby, and over here at the Aligned Woman Academy, I help women, especially stay-at-home moms, start businesses from the comfort of their home. I also help you grow intellectually and evolve as a woman. So if this is you, I want you to stick around. Now here's what most women don't know. The easiest and fastest way to make money from home is not complicated at all. It's called the digital product. And I know you've heard it several times, but I'm about to break it down to you exactly what it is, why it is perfect for you as a stay-at-home mom and as a busy mom, and the types of product that are actually making moms real money right now. So if you want to learn to create your first digital product, stick around. First of all, what is a digital product? I know you've been hearing about digital products everywhere, but let's start with the basics. A digital product is something you create once digitally. That means online, right? Like a PDF, a template, a course, a workbook, and then you sell it over and over again without doing any extra work. That is a digital product. Now think about it like this. A physical product, you bake a cake, right? You sell it once. You have to bake another cake to make another money, right? But with the digital product, you create an ebook, you sell it once. You don't have to do any extra work after you create it the first time, because this very file is what people continue to buy. And that's one of the reasons I love digital products. And here's why it's perfect for stay-at-home moms. You do not need inventory, so you don't need to buy anything. I understand as a stay-at-home mom by myself that it is hard most of the time for stay-at-home moms to put down money for inventory or anything. Do you understand? Number two, you don't need to ship anything. You don't need to pack bags, no trips to the office. You don't need to talk to customers. You work during your children's nap time or when they're asleep and all of that. And this is the closest thing to actual passive income that exists. And here's the best part. You do not need to be a graphic designer. You do not need to be a tech expert. You do not need to have any fancy certifications. You just need to know something that other moms want to know and package that into a simple digital product. All right, so let's talk about what you can actually create and sell. I'm going to give you 5 types of digital products that moms are making money with right now. And I'm going to tell you exactly what to create in each. Number 1, templates. And a template is a pre-made or fill-in-the-blank document that helps people save time. And examples are things like the meal planning template, organization template, home management template. And why this works? It works because moms are busy, right? They'll pay for something that saves them time and keeps them organized. I don't know about you, but I'm that mom that will pay for something that will save me time and keep me organized. And you can create it in places like Canva, even Excel, Google Documents, and all of that. You sell it on places like Etsy, Gumroad, Stan Store, Beacons. The opportunities are endless too. Guides and ebooks. And this one is a PDF document teaching someone how to do something specific, especially something they don't know. And some examples are like parenting guides. And if you go to Etsy and you just type parenting guides in the search bar, you will see all of the things that are trending. Home and life guides, side hustle guides, how to potty train a child, how I did this, how I did that. You package them into an ebook. Now, why does this work? It works because you've already figured out something that other moms are struggling with. Now, if you package that knowledge, someone who's struggling with it is definitely going to buy it. Okay? And listen, it doesn't have to be 50 pages. It doesn't have to be 100 pages. A 10-page book that can solve the problem is just perfect. Number 3, printable. Now, a printable is anything someone can download and print at home. And examples are kids' printables, activity sheets, worksheets, educational worksheets, behavior charts, reward systems, all of those things, mom planners, home organization printables like the pantry labels, cleaning schedules, and all of that. It works because moms love printables. I love printables. I buy printables all the time. They're instant, they're affordable, and they solve problems fast. And you can create it on Canva. Seriously, Canva is your best friend. Even if you have no design knowledge, you just go to Canva and type that thing in template in the search bar. There's always a template for everything on Canva. You sell it on Etsy. Etsy is huge for printables, right? Moms search Etsy daily to find things like toddler care charts, toddler chore charts, all of those things. Okay, so you definitely should jump on that. Number 4, workbooks, and this one is like an interactive guide where users write, they fill in, complete activities, and all of that. And some examples are goal setting workbook. I have a goal setting workbook. Like a 90 days goal planner, vision board, and all of those things. Self-care workbook, and all of that. Family workbooks. Now this works because workbooks are more valuable than regular guides because they are interactive. People can use them and see results, which is super amazing. Now digital guide number 5, and this is my favorite, will be courses or mini trainings. Now, this is a video or written training teaching a specific skill. And for example, short video courses like organizing your home room by room, how to start selling on Etsy in 7 days, how to start your site, also email marketing, positive parenting, all of those things that you know. And this works because people will pay more for courses because they feel like premium content because, they actually are premium content. Do you understand? So if you record a simple video with your phone, and I always tell you there are no limitations up until as I speak, I still record with my phone. You use Canva to create the slides and just record this, right? And you host it on places like School, Teachable, or Beacons, or Standstore. All of these things are linked in the description. You don't need the fancy equipment. You just need the knowledge and the desire to pass across this message. Okay, so now you're probably thinking that this all sounds great, but how do I actually know which one to create? So you need to be asking yourself these 3 questions. And the first question would be this: what do other moms ask me about all the time, right? What do your friends constantly ask you about? Do they ask you, how do you prepare your meals so efficiently? Do they ask you, how do you manage your budget? What do they ask you? Whatever people ask you repeatedly, that is your digital product right there. Number 2, what problem did I recently solve for myself? You have to constantly ask yourself, what did you struggle with? And then figure it out. For me, as a stay-at-home mom, I struggled with improving myself, improving my own capacity as a stay-at-home mom. And that's what I solved. And then I started to teach people. And so I created the Aligned Women Academy. The Aligned Women Academy is where we host multiple master classes, where I share templates, where we host book clubs and all of that for moms. So if you would like to join us in the academy, I'm going to be linking the Aligned Women Academy in the description. It's an amazing community. Okay. So question number 3, what can I create in one nap time? Because I know as moms, we're busy. So what can I create? A 5-page PDF guide, a 1-page printable template, a 10-page workbook. What can I create? So don't try to create like 100 pages at first. You have to start small. Now let me set some real expectations here so that you do not get discouraged. The truth is your first product probably will not make you $1,000 on the first week, but it might make you $10. It may make you $50. It may make you $100. It may even make you $1,000. But the truth is, if something can make you $1, that means it has the potential to make you $1 million. So here's what I want you to do this week. I want you to decide on what your first digital product will be. Then outline it, create it in Canva, and list it for sale somewhere. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for it to be perfect. Just get it out there. And if you're saying to me, I love this idea, but I don't know how to go about it, I want you to go to the description box and the comments. I'm going to be linking the Aligned Women Academy. That's what we do there. We teach you how to do all of those things, how to expand on all of those things, how to create your digital products, how to sell it, and all of that. If you also want step-by-step templates, the support, the community, definitely join us in the Aligned Women Academy. We're teaching exactly how to create digital products that sell. We're teaching Canva tutorials and templates that you can copy. We're teaching marketing strategies that work for stay-at-home moms, how to price. We're teaching all these amazing things. So definitely go join us. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And guess what? I'll see you in the next one. I hope you have an amazing day. My name is still Rich. Ciao, ciao.